Welcome to CDWinder. Today we want to show you some of the amazing capabilities of CDWinder when it comes to GPS and GeoTags. GeoTags are the GPS coordinates stored in the EXIF data of photos, and there are lots of cool things they can be used for. CDWinder displays GeoTags in its EXIF section and handles the coordinates themselves, the altitude, and also 3D information like the azimuth and tilt that indicate where you looked at when taking the photo. You can identify photos with geotags by the red geotag icon in the lower right corner of their thumbnail. If your photos do not yet have geotags, you can also use CDWinder to add them. Just create a catalog of your photo directory and select the photos you want to tag. In this case, some garden pictures of my own. Then open Google Earth and navigate to the place you want to associate with the photos. You can also use some crosshairs to help aiming for the right spot. Back in CDWinder, you can just select GeoTag in the GPS context menu to tag the picture with that position. CDWinder will not only store that tag in its database, but write it back to the original file itself, if possible. Once your photos have geotags, you will find a lot more functions in the GPS context menu. CDWinder can export the photos to a KMZ file, show them in Google Earth, or show the place in several web services. Keep that in mind for now, because now we'll have a look at the unique GeoFinder that enables us to find photos based on their geotags. You can open the GeoFinder, navigate around, and select any place you like. Or you can find a place by typing its name and locating it. Or just choose one of the predefined places available. Then you can find all your photos taken in right that area. You can also use any photo in your collection as starting point and find all other photos in its vicinity. Just select the appropriate command from the Find Context menu. This will also bring up the GeoFinder dialog. You can pass any coordinate in the GeoFinder or in any given photo on to Google Earth. While flying there, you can already see that CDWinder uses the azimuth and tilt values stored in the photo. Isn't that cool? Try another one. You can also choose a place in Google Earth and then use that as a starting point in the GeoFinder. We'll just type in Seattle here, fly there, and pick up the coordinates in the GeoFinder. And again, do a GeoFind for just those coordinates and have a look at all the pictures we took in or around the Space Needle in Seattle. The web services to show coordinates in are pretty self-explanatory, so we'll just focus on the KMZ export for now. To create a KMZ from your photos, you just select a couple of photos and choose Export to KMZ from the GPS context menu. You will be asked for a name for this KMZ. Let's just call it Vacation. And then you can specify the size of the contained pictures and whether to add metadata to the photo's description or use the time slider feature in Google Earth. Once finished, you can open the created KMZ file in Google Earth. Just clean up the display a little. You can see your photos as icons at just the spot they were taken in. Each with a description containing their IPTC tags like the caption, their coordinates, and some EXIF metadata, like the camera model or the f-stop. You can also double-click each place mark to fly to its original viewpoint. This one's at the Space Needle. Or another one at the West Coast. Just note that we can also adjust the time slider here to see the actual picture. You can use the play button to traverse all pictures inside that folder one by one, and the time slider, as we saw, to filter specific images based on the timeline, so you only see the pictures right inside the specified time frame. That KMZ file is pretty small and compact and can be mailed to other Google Earth users or posted on the web. Imagine this to illustrate your vacation trip, family pictures, or a new project. Find out what CDWinder can do with your photo collection. Get your copy today at www.cdwinder.com.